Hey, Dan, Mizzi-Harris here, designer on the design systems team, following up from Jeremy's video about the form rendering issues that we've been seeing, or potential rendering issues. I had some suspicions. Something didn't seem quite right when I looked at the triage branch, and some things were unexpected. So just wanted to talk through some of the stuff I tried and some of the stuff I think we should do next to resolve this. So I've created a copy of the component library rather than working in the actual one, and you'll see why in a moment. So first thing I'm going to do is create a branch form repaint, I'll call it, because Um, I wasn't 100% confident what would happen after the branches merged, whether we'd be back in the same place or not. So the method that was shown was remove a style, add a style back in using undo, um, and that doing the trick. Oh, that's only done that one machine. So I'll do that for all of these. Move my face would be easier. Oh, insert the Benny Hill music. Lash. But the thing that caught my eye as strange is if there was just re-rendering, um, the changes wouldn't show here. Well, that's actually not showing us anything now. Pretty weird, but okay. All right then. So the other thing I was going to do was another way of repainting is increase the width by 1, drop it back, increase by 1, drop it back, and so on. And let's see what happens now. So these will probably show us things being changed. Cool. Why are you like this? Anyway, let's merge and see if that fixes anything. Cool. We're back to where we were. Even though the diff view, I guess it would be called, said no changes to this, and we made some changes to that. We're back with these unexpected renderings. So what I think the best my theory is something about this base component, and it wants to be the same size and it's ignoring some stuff somewhere. I think the quickest path forward that's likely to cause the least amount of challenges would be just to set this to be the size that it wants to be. So I'll create a form size, create a new branch. And set these to be the size they're trying to be, which is 286 plus 32, because this is 268 plus 32, which quick maths is 300. So pop pop. Let's be efficient. So everything renders as it expects. It's the same size as it was visually output in. Um, I'd expect to see these say they're edited. I have no idea why it says that's edited. Sometimes Who knows? Who knows what's going on behind the scenes? So merge, let's see if these display. Yeah, these all display as we'd like. These can still be resized as we'd expect. So yeah, I think that might be the quickest path. To recap, I don't think it's just a rendering issue because of how it sometimes says something's changed and something's not. Um, the second point is even if it looks right in the branch, something happens when it merges and it stops looking right. So I think the path forward is to set these to be 300 so that they are the size that I think they want to be because of the base component, and spread it out, make it look nice, and all of that. I'll mock that up in a branch, but let me know what you all think.